Hello guys, this is David Wynn here, August University, and I just want to check in with you guys, review new up-and-coming product that's very interesting. It's called Simple Wi-Fi Profits. So basically this business model is a way for you guys to get into the affiliate marketing space, right? And learn some key concepts to be able to scale ads on the Facebook platform to be able to start making your first online sales, then scaling up from there. So it's a little more unique to some other products. There are some other competitive products in the market right now, but this is a unique way to do it, and I'll explain what the differences are. So Chris and Andrew are essentially online entrepreneurs, and they're very successful on Clickbank, utilizing these strategies. You know, obviously their marketing endeavors a little bit more flashy, a little bit younger, a little bit more towards that younger audience. But at the same time, when you break everything down, what matters is the materials you're getting. What matters is the bonuses. What matters is what you're going to learn to be able to make your first sale, plus scale it and make more money, right? So no matter all the flashy cars and advertising and all that stuff, it doesn't really matter at the end. It's what you learn and what content is available, and are they a dependable source or not, right? So these guys are pretty big into the affiliate marketing space. I really like their story. You can research a little bit more on that, but basically they're big time affiliate marketers, and they're living the laptop lifestyle. Got the matching cars and everything. So here's the actual real stuff here. So what I like about this strategy is a little different than what I've learned in the past with Facebook ad scaling. So I like this strategy. It's like what they do is they start with a $5 strategy. So you start with $5, and then you make one sale with it for $40. And then what you do is you reinvest that 40 back into your ad spend, right? So I like the way that they break it down here. It's a little unique to what I'm used to. So they say invest that 40, put it back in, and only use that profits that you made, make 80 with two sales, and then keep scaling from there. Reinvest 80 to make 200, 200 to make 520, 520 to make 1,200. 1,200 too, and the list continues, right? So it's a unique strategy. One thing is you want to be still cautious. It is Facebook ads you will be running, and you want to make sure your accounts are good, which they explained in the training. But it's gonna take action. So it's gonna take your own ad spend, and it's gonna take trial and error. Okay, so this is not the push to start. You're making money in the bank right away. It's going to take time. It's going to take some learning, but you're going to get all the materials you need in this course here, right? So step one in this whole, the pillar to success in this Wi-Fi, a simple Wi-Fi profit system. Basically, the video training course that will show you how to start from scratch, create your first Facebook ad campaign, how to connect it to the offer solution and promote it, find people who need the solution, and scale up to make profits. So it's simple as that. You're learning Facebook ads. You're finding the audience, the right product to align with that audience, so you can make sales, right? So what you're getting with the program, the first pillar is unlimited access to simple Wi-Fi profits, step-by-step training. So they're saying it's a $20,000 value. You know, who really knows what the value of that price is, but that's what you're including there. Step-by-step videos and manuals. Exact step-by-step instructions by Chris and Andrew, right? They're the guys that had the success, and then grow to potentially up to 10,000 and be above. So, obviously, just starting in the game, it's not going to happen overnight, guys. It's going to take time, trial and error, and a little bit of, obviously, a little to a lot of ad spend, right? So you got to be willing to invest that money. Don't buy the course and then not have any ad spend. It just doesn't make any sense. You require it. Think about it like you're going to go on a road trip. You're going to need some gas, some fuel to be able to get to your destination, right? So just make sure that after you get in, you still also have to have ad spend and a little bit of time, because you're gonna have to learn this process, right? You're gonna get success when you put in the work. So that's something I really learned with Facebook ads. You really got to be diligent on doing the work and finding out what works, what doesn't, and then scaling from there. Pillar 2, you get the done for you best products. So they give you a list of the products that are working for them, the top products that they're converting, and something you should know is that it's focused on the weight loss niche. Okay, you can use the strategies for multiple different areas, but they're focusing on the weight loss niche. It's a niche that I'm in as well for a lot of my products. So just keep that in mind. If you're against weight loss products for any reason, I don't know why you would be, but this is a huge industry. Everyone basically wants to lose weight. Everyone wants to get fitter, shed that extra couple pounds in the industry. So there's a lot of high ticket, a lot of nice weight loss I don't want to say high ticket, but a lot of products in the industry that are selling very well. And so they're going to give you the best ones that work for them. They're going to give you done for you ad swipe files as well. So they say it's simple, copy and paste images, add copy, and you get their best ads that they tested for over $3 million in ad spend, and then you get their scaling formula. So one thing you guys got to know is you're gonna get these materials, you're gonna get this ad copy, these images, and you can use them, but my recommendation is always modeling after. So take your ads, take your images, then recreate these, change some wording around, change the images around, maybe go to Fiverr, get them redone, just so your products stand out, your ads stand out compared to everyone else, right? You don't want to be the same ad going out there. But they do give you the jump start and giving you the materials that you need as well. And then you get the done for you ad targeting. So Facebook ads is a big world, and you may lose a lot of money quickly if you don't know what you're doing. And this is definitely a fact. So the ad targeting, they're gonna give you the interests that they recommend. They're gonna show you how to build lookalike audiences, all that stuff that is a little confusing on Facebook ads if you haven't done it before. But they're gonna give you the categories that work, and then how to scale and stuff like that. So it's very vital that you guys know this is Facebook ads. So if you're in the market for organic or another avenue of finding sales, this isn't for you. But if you don't mind and you're actually into scaling Facebook ads, which is a huge industry, right? All the top Clickbank. I use ClickFunnels as well, which you will need, by the way. I'll explain this at the end. Number one, Clickbank individuals on there all use paid ads for the most part, right? So just know that it's a quick way to scale, and once you know what you're doing, it's the fastest way to grow your affiliate marketing business. There is organic. If you guys need help with organic traffic and organic sales, let me know. Comment below. You're also getting basically all these bonuses here. So done for you outsourcing. We'll train the VAs for you. Work less and earn more. We will train virtual assistants and employees to run the business for you while your priorities with our priority training system. So basically your priorities will be into your building your business and kind of living that laptop lifestyle while you get your VAs to do the work. So they're going to show you how to do that in this so that you can live your life, but have your VAs controlling some of the, the day in, day out tasks that you may not want to have to do. At the end of the day, it's your business, so you still want to look at your numbers and your sales and making sure you're being profitable. But you can get the VA to do some of the tedious work for you, which they become your employees, right? So your virtual assistant does some work for you so that you can do your thing. So bonus one, done for you, $1 million campaign. It's the same campaign that Chris and Andrew and some of their students have made a lot of money with. So they give you the whole breakdown of what worked for them. Done for you outsourcing, so they teach you how to train your VAs, and they'll actually help train your VAs. as well. Instant access to the VIP commission club, which means you're going to get special commission pricing with the products that they promote. So you're going to, instead of like that, usually instead of like a 50% or 75%, you're going to get like a higher tier commission. I don't know the exact percentage, but I've seen up to 90%. But yeah, they're going to give you the special pricing on those commissions that you register for, and then you're getting paid more. Also, they're going to teach you high ticket commissions. Basically, teach you how to make up to $1,000 a sale. So the high ticket game, guys, as an affiliate marketer, you want to have a low ticket, medium ticket, and a high ticket offer all the time. So that's in the organic game. Even in the paid game, I think it's important that you have multiple available products for you. So let's say you get comfortable in this program, you can start promoting this program as well as an affiliate, right? I'm an affiliate for a lot of different high ticket products that I stand behind, that I recommend. So I really think this is an interesting program, a different spin on things, how to scale Facebook ads with some success, and some successful teachers as well. And it's a little bit of a younger audience. They're bringing different things to the table that are different strategies than some of the other competitors in the market right now. So here's the breakdown of the whole package you're getting. It's for $14.97. It's unlimited access to Wi-Fi, Simple Wi-Fi Profits, and all the updates. Done for you products, the best ones they're using right now. Done for you ad campaigns, exact ad images and text. Step-by-step intelligent ad targeting for beginners. 24/7 VIP concierge service, the Facebook group, monthly coaching calls live with Chris and Andrew. So they're part of the community. You're gonna get involved with them weekly. Monthly. And Chris and Andrew will call you every other Wednesday. All this stuff here, guys. At the end of the day, it's gonna take you to take action. Okay. So you got to be following the materials and actually taking action. I don't want you guys studying this stuff and not starting your conversion campaigns. I don't want you guys studying this stuff and not, looking the information while you're running these ads to get a better understanding of who's buying, who's not. Okay. I don't want you guys in debt from this. I want you guys to be smart about your decisions. But if you're looking to get into the affiliate marketing space, looking to scale up to $10,000 a month, right, $1,000 a day potential, then this is definitely a strategy for you, right? But it does take the work. It's not a copy and paste, like hit play and then you have money in the bank. It's not that. That's not the case. Okay. So I've been in programs like similar to this. One is called Commission Hero, and I was able to make my first 1K day. So this is very similar here, except for different teachers, which are also successful on Clickbank. And to me, it seems really, really interesting, right? It's I like their starting at $5 strategy. I like what they're bringing to the table. It's fresh, it's new, something different, right? An alternative, which I like options. Options are always great. These guys are new to the space. So I like what they're doing. Honestly, I see what they're doing. One of their students is making literally millions, and he's basically preaching these guys for the success. But you guys do your own due diligence, and know that when you get in, you have to do Facebook ads. It's just the way it is. Now, if you decide to get into this offer as a bonus, I have been affiliate marketing for quite some time now, about 2 years. I've been able to have $1,000 days, and if you guys are looking to learn more, anyone that gets into this program here as a bonus, I'll do a one-on-one consulting call with you, half an hour to an hour session. Okay, just comment below and say you got in. I'm gonna give you my free affiliate. I'm gonna give you access to my course for free. It's my first online sale program. I'm also gonna give you my affiliate marketing PDF. Okay. Those are some bonuses I'll give to you. And with the consulting call, I can offer you guys not just how to learn the Facebook ad scaling strategies, because you're going to learn that in this program already. I can show you some of the things to get started, setting things up, maybe setting up ClickFunnels, also how to make money organically online through YouTube and Google and Instagram and things like that. Facebook, right? Facebook is a huge one, right? How to get success there. So you can really build this and make this a business. I think in a perfect world, you have the paid ad side and the organic side working for you, so that you're just generating multiple flows of income, right? One last thing I want to talk about is you will require in this process, you can make your own landing page through another landing page builder, but the best one I prefer is ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is going to be $97 a month, 14 days free access. So just know that's part of the cost, okay? So personally, I would recommend, even though it says start at $5 a day for ads, have 500, 1,000, $1,500 dollars for the ad scaling ready, so that you can really take this seriously and grow your business. I don't want you guys breaking the bank to get the course and not having any fuel to drive the car, right? Not having any fuel to build the business. So once you get in, make sure that, I'm getting the course for the $14.97, right? Then I'm gonna have ad spend 500 to 1,500, right, to start. And then I'm gonna know that, after my free trial of ClickFunnels, I'm gonna be paying that monthly as well. But this strategy does work, guys, and I see a lot of people making, their $1,000, $10,000 days. But at the end of the day, it takes you doing the work and doing the training, right? It's not gonna happen overnight. Some people faster than others, but yeah. If you're interested in this program, like I said, and you get in, like I said, I'm an affiliate marketer, so I'll partner with you on a call, half an hour to an hour for a session. We talk affiliate marketing, getting started, etc. How to build possibly your audience, so that you become kind of build your own business, your own personal brand. We can talk about that, whatever you want to do. Also, I'm going to include my course. It's called my first online sale, and then I'm also going to give you my affiliate marketing PDF. All right, appreciate you guys watching my video today, and I want to give you guys something different outside of what I always talk about. And honestly, it looks like a really good value, and the business model does work. So if you guys want to take action, click the link below and get in. I have the webinar ready for you guys to watch, yeah, just make it happen. And if you guys need anything at all, I appreciate you guys, love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.